If you haven't experienced a Illuminati concert, you are missing out. ऐसा आजकल सब गा रहे हैं. 1-1 लाख रुपए की दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट की टिकट बिक रही हैं, टिकट्स ब्लैक हो रही हैं.
So here goes our experience of the Illuminati concert in the US. The arena was not at all lit up. Stage was not lit up. Randomly शुरू हो गया था सब कुछ. It took us 2 or 3 songs to even connect with him and start vibing. Obviously मतलब अच्छे moments थे in the concert, but बस वही 2-3 moments हैं. Hey guys! Welcome to Cinema with Saga.
So, today's spotlight is on a man who single-handedly popularized Punjabi music, not just across India, but across the globe. Chat पैदा होया बस छोड़ वास्ते could not have been truer for anyone else.
We're talking about a man जिसने गांव के फंक्शंस में गाने से शुरुआत करके कोचेला में परफॉर्म करने वाला पहला इंडियन आर्टिस्ट बन गया. वो आदमी जो जहां एक दिन जिमी फैलन पे परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है, वही अगले दिन गेड़िया मारने योसेमिटी नेशनल पार्क चला जाता है.
वो आदमी जिसकी बिगेस्ट एनिमी इज अलेक्सा.
Alexa, I love you. देखिए
I'm flattered.
ओए होए
Thank you.
वो कहती मैं बैठ गई अपने मोड़े तू ट्रालियां च पाके.
एंड जो अपना हर कॉन्सर्ट हाथ जोड़ के भगवान को प्रे करके शुरुआत करता है. We're talking about no other than दोसांझा वाला दिलजीत दोसांझ.
अब पंजाबी आ गए.
Diljit was born in Dosanjh Kala, a small village in Punjab on January 6, 1984. His father, Balbir Singh, was a bus driver and his mother, Sukhwinder Kaur, was a homemaker. He grew up with modest means.
He began singing in local gurudwaras where he developed his unique voice. His first album, Ishq Da Uda Ada, was released in 2004 under the label Fine Tone Cassettes, which later became T-Series in Punjab.
Diljit Dosanjh's first music director was Rajinder Singh, who gave him his first break in the music industry. Dosanjh's initial work was influenced by the style of Gobinder Singh Alampuri, who he learned music from while growing up. His journey wasn't easy. The competition was fierce, and Diljit's style was still unconventional for his mainstream Punjabi music.
दिलजीत का पहला सुपरहिट गाना अगर आप लोगों को याद हो तो प्रॉपर पटोला था. एंड उस गाने ने 2013 में दिलजीत को इंटरनेशनल मैप पे पहुंचा दिया था just because it was the first Punjabi song to be featured on Devo.
But that wasn't it all. After that, Diljit went on to produce such great songs such as Pardon My Punjabi, but Lamborghini, Panch Tara, Do You Know? And songs like this made Diljit a household name. Like his charm and his style, I think, brought Punjabi music to people across India and obviously around the world.
Yeah. And by the way, did you know प्रॉपर पटोला ऑलमोस्ट कैंसिल्ड था बिकॉज उस गाने की वाइब इतनी ज्यादा डिफरेंट थी, बट दिलजीत पाजी ने somehow प्रोड्यूसर्स को कन्विंस कर लिया था उसके लिए, एंड rest is history.
You go, Diljit. Diljit has been candid about his early struggles. He faced challenges breaking into Bollywood, where non-Hindi speaking artists are often typecast. He once said that he felt like an outsider, especially during his early years. In interviews, he shared how his accent and style were initially obstacles, but Diljit never compromised on his roots. Instead, he embraced them and made them his strength.
If you haven't experienced a Illuminati concert, you are missing out. These aren't just shows, they are an experience. ऐसा आजकल सब गा रहे हैं. 1-1 लाख रुपए की दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट की टिकट बिक रही हैं, टिकट्स ब्लैक हो रही हैं. इतना सब क्यों?
So here goes our experience of the Illuminati concert in the US. तो जब हमने enter किया था, the arena was not at all lit up, stage was not lit up, and किसी ने announce करके बताया भी नहीं कि what is going on, when is the concert going to start. Randomly शुरू हो गया था सब कुछ. There was no lead-in performances or any warm-up kind of performances जहाँ पे थोड़ा excitement level वो बढ़ाए audience का. And it took us 2 or 3 songs to even connect with him and start vibing. Obviously मतलब अच्छे moments थे in the concert, but बस वही 2-3 moments हैं जो दिलजीत शायद उठा के अपने Instagram में डाल के पॉपुलर कर देता है कि दिस here it goes. Here,
Not
here's how
him,
massive.
his team.
Yeah, his team. Here how massive my concert is.
यार मैं सही बताऊं, आफ्टर अ वाइल मैं बोर हो गया था जेन्युइनली। स्टेज के पीछे बस एक बड़ी स्क्रीन थी जिसपे वियर्ड से ग्राफिक्स चले जा रहे थे। साउंड क्वालिटी आई डोंट नो इतना खराब क्यों था। दिस वाज एन अमेरिकन एयरलाइन सेंटर एंड यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल कॉन्सर्ट्स होते हैं, तो आई डोंट नो इफ इन्होंने अपने लिए ऐसा कुछ ट्यून नहीं कर पाए थे। मैं दिलजीत पाजी को उनके लक 28 कुड़ीदा के टाइम से सुनता आ रहा हूँ एंड आई एम जेन्युइनली हैप्पी, लाइक फ्रॉम द बॉटम माई हार्ट। ही इज़ वन ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट जिनको मैं सही में फॉलो करता हूँ एंड जो मुझे सही में अच्छे लगते हैं एज गुड ह्यूमन बींग्स। बट सैडली मैं आज के बाद कभी इनका कोई कॉन्सर्ट देखने तो नहीं जाऊंगा।
Diljit's first major success in cinema came with Jat and Juliet in 2012. Directed by Anurag Singh, the film redefined Punjabi cinema, setting box office records and eventually leading to a sequel.
His character, Fateh Singh, became iconic. He wasn't just a singer in a movie, he showed real acting chops and critics noticed. Jat and Juliet is now considered a turning point for Punjabi cinema, opening doors for other regional movies. In Bollywood, Diljit has had a mix of roles, but his portrayal in the film Chamkila is his best project so far, along with Urta Punjab, of course. He played the legendary Punjabi singer Amar Singh Chamkila, whose life was cut short in a tragic assassination.
Directed by Imtiaz Ali, this movie explored Chamkila's life and legacy, and Diljit's dedication to this role. From getting the accent to the emotional depth, it's just magical. Beyond the stage, Diljit is known for his grounded nature. He still respects his Punjabi roots and is deeply connected to his Sikh faith.
And his social media is just pure gold. From cooking videos to his hilarious obsession with Kylie Jenner, Diljit's Instagram is like a reality show we didn't know we needed.
Diljit Dosanjh isn't just an artist, he's a cultural icon. He's redefined what it means to be a Punjabi star, taking his language, music, and values to global stages.
Whether he's singing, acting, or just vibing on Instagram, Diljit is 100% authentic, and that's what makes him unforgettable. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite Diljit moment.
Subscribe for more spotlights like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things cinema.
This is Cinema with Saga, signing off with the Punjabi vibe.
Sat
Sri Akal, guys.